You asked me once about this memory. I lied. I told you it was lost. I worried the wrong lesson would be learned. But this man lived many lives, and he has much to teach us. Of course, when he came to us, he was little more than a common thief, scrambling to survive on the streets of Baghdad, dreaming of a better future. Not just for himself, but for all those he saw suffering on the margins. For while he lived in a golden age, at the heart and the height of the Abbasid Caliphate, scratch its gilded surface and you'd find a rot beneath. The Order of the Ancients fought to rise and spread their cruelty through the land. The Hidden Ones, as we were known then, resisted, striking at our enemy from the shadows, an eternal struggle. Centuries ago, he was at its heart. Basim ibn Ishaq. He honored the creed. He challenged it. So must we. We have it in all of us to mistake the shadows we walk for the light we serve. The time may come when we will be tested as he was. I fear that time is coming soon.
Easy, Basim. Breathe. Was it the Jinni again? And what did our friend want this time?
To strip the flesh from my bones? Dine on my innards? Never has much to say, yet it leaves its mark. I can still feel it crawling on my skin.
Hardly original. You should tell it as much.
Forget the Jinni for the moment. The day is new. There is work to be done. Derwish has left another contract.
Who for? Them again? We would make more money selling water to a camel.
Come, Nihal. Where is your sense of duty?
Duty does not fill our bellies.
No, but it does enrich the soul.
I will be outside.
कुछ कहानियां लिखी जाती हैं कलम से और कुछ लिखी जाती हैं लहू से, क्रोध से, बदले की भावना से। एक ऐसी ही अंगार उगलती कहानी हम और आप मिलकर देखने वाले हैं असैसिन्स क्रीड मिराज में। नमस्कार देवियों और सज्जनों एंड माय डियर दमदार किंग्समैन, स्वागत है आपका एसी मिराज के पहले एपिसोड में। आरंभ किया जाए अगर आप रेडी हैं तो, cause I am always ready, baby.
You said we have a contract. Let us honor
Let's
it.
do it.
The sun casts a long shadow.
Let us not keep Derwish waiting. I cannot bear another lecture.
These contracts. It is quite a few Darwish has pushed your way now.
He knows I will come through.
You have his trust. That much is clear. Do you suppose you have theirs? These shadowy types?
I should hope so by now.
Then they should show it. You take all the risk and they offer little in return.
They are liberators, Nihal, not merchants.
I know the stories. Still, the price of liberty should be enough to feed us.
I think now the game begins. I love this. ये वो चीजें बहुत टाइम से बहुत लोग मिस कर रहे होंगे Assassin's Creed सीरीज में, राइट? Not talking about RPG title, obviously.
About this contract, I do not want you to mistake my words for pestering. I am only looking out for you, Ya Sadiki.
It is no inconvenience to stand up to our oppressors as the Hidden Ones do.
Do you think yourself some hero of tomorrow? The next Gilgamesh?
No. I am merely the son of a public servant who dedicated his life to the betterment of his people. Only to be slighted and forgotten. But I am honored you think I could reach such heights. I may just aim for them.
That is not at all what I said.
It is what I heard.
Such crowds. Something important must be happening.
The Khalifa has
थोड़ा-
been summoned to the Winter Palace. It is surely his wealthy retinue that drives this crowd.
रूबरू होना होगा कंट्रोल्स एंड सेटिंग से उसके बाद
Perhaps they're in
Eagle
the
Vision
mood
and
to
everything यहाँ
offer
पे काफी यूज
donations.
करने वाले, राइट?
Ah, I see your meaning. A little sleight of hand to sharpen our wits.
If this contract will not feed us, the Khilafa might as well.
जो बहुत टाइम से मिस कर रहे थे स्टिल्थ मोड एंड किल एंड एवरीथिंग, तो वो अब हमें काफी कूल तरीके से मिलेगा, राइट? आई थिंक Assassin's Creed 3 से जो मिस कर रहा था.
That merchant has left his purse on the table. An easy one to begin with.
Nice one.
Better leave before they notice.
Come here!
So we have Eagle
Very
Vision.
well.
What next?
I will pick them out.
A keen eye and an agile hand. A formidable duo.
कुछ चार्जेस वाले कंट्रोल है जो मैं देख पा रहा हूँ.
There. The boisterous one. He must have something of
हाँ, ये
value.
कर लो पहले. पिक पॉकेट, मर्चेंट. ईगल विजन का यूज करो पाउचेज और लूट फाइंड करने में, और जब आप उसके आसपास होगे तो ये प्रेस करो पिक पॉकेट, मतलब चोरी करने के लिए. ओके, और ये राइट टाइम प्रेस करना, अदरवाइज आप पकड़े जाओगे. वो
Sneaky, sneaky.
मारने की आदत तो है मुझे आंटी. आई मीन पॉकेट मारने की आदत तो है.
And over there, by that stall, she's got some coin.
एक्चुअली हमारी फ्रेंड है और हमें ऑलरेडी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिला हुआ है डार्विस से समथिंग, डरविस से कुछ नाम है उसका, लेकिन इनके हिसाब से मुझे उसमें ज्यादा पैसे नहीं मिलने वाले हैं. तो ये चाहती हैं कि हमारी थोड़े बहुत मतलब केयर करते हैं. जैसा ये बोल रही है यार ठीक है ये सब कर रहे हो ठीक है, बट थोड़ा बहुत कमाने पे भी ध्यान दो. तो जो तुम्हारे कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो पैसे मिलेंगे हम ऊँट को पानी पिला के उससे ज्यादा कमा लेंगे. सो एनीवे थोड़ा पहले सीखते हैं उसके बाद आगे बढ़ेंगे. कॉज जितनी मिस्टेक जितनी गलतियाँ करनी अभी कर लेंगे, बाद में इसका मौका हमें नहीं मिलेगा.
Well done. You truly are the master thief of Anbar.
Is that jealousy I hear?
Hardly, O great looter of purses.
Insufferable. Come.
पीछे रह गए क्या वो? एनीवे चल के मुलाकात करते हैं डरविस से, जिसके बारे में बात कर रहा था मैं. बट ऐसे कैसे चलेंगे यार, ऐसे मजा नहीं आएगा. It's all about Parker and Thin, right?
حذاري لا تنسى أنهم قالوا ذلك عن الواقع.
It's Basim!
They're all looking spry. I wonder what...
Why. Here is the lazy boy. I've been waiting on you.
Someone has to plan our meals. Hold! Food. I would not flaunt that around the markets. Trust me.
Go to Saida's. She uses lots of butter.
That she does.
You look weary. Are you well?
It is nothing a little adventure will not fix. What do they need?
A shipping ledger at the harbor. It is worth nothing by itself, but the information it contains is valuable to them.
This is child's play. Do they not have anything more difficult? I can do more.
Never mind your ego. The Khalifa's guards are here in number, and you would do well to remember that.
You worry for me more now than when we lived in Baghdad.
My worry is the same. I've only grown too old and too tired to hide it. Bring the ledger back here and do it
बहुत
swiftly.
ज्यादा दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है कहानी पे, ठीक है? Take it easy.
We have not talked about my fee.
बहुत प्यारी प्यारी छोटी छोटी चीजें होंगी, just to teach
And we
us
won't.
the basic
Not
of the
until
game.
the deed is done. You know how they are.
कहानी आराम सब कुछ समझ में आ जाएगा आप
Shocking.
अगर यहाँ वॉच कर रहे हो तो
He is
don't worry.
just a messenger.
And you are still an errand boy. You can do this one on your own.
आइए बस फोकस करते हैं इस पे कि हम सीखना क्या है और कैसे कैसे सीखना है, क्या करना है, क्योंकि एक बार वो सीख लेंगे तो बाकी चीज तो आराम से कर लेंगे। अगर कभी फोकस करोगे कि चल क्या रहा है तो सब कुछ हौच पौच हो जाएगा। डोंट डू दैट। बहुत कुछ है अभी। ओह ग्रेट बॉन्टी कैन बी कंसीडर्ड मीक फॉर पर्सनल नेम योर प्राइस एंड आई विल बी
أكاد أجزم. أول ما
I like this man. इसके लिए कोई लोडिंग स्क्रीन नहीं, जस्ट लाइक स्पाइडरमैन। आप जहां जंप करते हो वहां पे करते हैं स्टार्ट।
16 crates, 1 chest, half a dozen satchels. Only 3 crates remain last time I checked the ledger.
Give their handlers until tomorrow evening. If they don't show by then, we must assume they've forgotten about their wares. Open them up. Keep whatever catches our eyes. Dump the rest.
इससे मुझे याद आया 20 अक्टूबर
Wait here.
स्पाइडरमैन 2 तैयार रहना उसके लिए भी। डाउन 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 बाबा। गार्ड्स विल बिकम गार्ड अवेयर हो जाएंगे अगर आप बहुत ज़्यादा ये वो रहोगे तो, और उनके एरिया में जाओगे तो। और क्राउच करो और अब आपको देख नहीं पाएंगे। एलिमिनेट करना है दिस टू दिस टू दिस 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 दिस। ओके परफेक्ट।
If I am seen, I will have to flee. Good thing I can outrun these sagging guards.
Whoa, whoa, easy man. Eating certain plant and fruit from this will generate your health. मेरी health कम है क्या? Whistling, I like it. जो चीजें मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि ये चीज आगे जाके काश ये मिले मुझे, वो है भी।
That's odd.
So, come boy. Steal the ledger. यहाँ पे ईगल विजन के लिए हमारे पास ईगल नहीं है। कूल।
Locked. A minor delay.
ओके हमें कोई की चाहिए, उसके बिना हम खोल नहीं पाएंगे। और आई थिंक जो भी हो ना हो ये चाबी इनके पास किसी के पास की होगी। नहीं मिला। इनको मारने के बाद, नॉकआउट करने के बाद जो आप ऑटोमेटिक लूट करते हो, आई थिंक वो भी अनलॉक हो जाएगा बाद में, अभी नहीं, क्योंकि स्किल पॉइंट तो यहाँ पे होगी दबा के बहुत सारी कैरी एंड ऑल। ट्राई की बॉडी हाइड कर पाता हूँ। कम ऑन ब्रेक पॉइंट। ना पगलू कहाँ? अरे नहीं, चाबी मुझे मिली कहाँ है अभी? ये एरिया इतना छोटा नहीं है, और भी एनिमीज और भी जगह है। चाबी यहीं कहीं मिलनी चाहिए फिर तो। आगे बढ़े उससे पहले थोड़ा, अरे हाँ, छोड़ के जाना है क्यों, राइट? ये जो भी आप देख रहे हो ना, बहुत करने वाले हैं हम आगे, बहुत 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 करने वाले हैं। आई विश कि इसमें वो भी हो, ऑटो लूट और समथिंग, मजा आएगा। वो रहा, उस गार्ड पे चाबी बन के भी आ रही है, वही रहा, वही तो है। Come boy.
Hey, what was that?
दो वहां पे है, एक ऊपर है, पीछे किसी को छोड़ा नहीं मैंने। ऊपर जाना मुश्किल नहीं होना चाहिए। असैसिन्स क्रीड की एक चीज बहुत प्यारी लगती है मुझे ना, यही सिर्फ यही नहीं, किसी भी सीरीज उठा लो आप, ओरिजिन्स, ओडिसी, वल्हला, कोई भी, ये ऐसा नहीं होता कि आपको हर चीज एक साथ दे देंगे। माहौल आराम आराम से बनाते हैं। मतलब हर बार आपको ये लगता रहता है कि जैसे कुछ अब ठीक है, अब हो गया, तभी कुछ ना कुछ नया आपको मिलता है और कुछ नया जानने को मिलता है। मतलब ये माहौल बहुत आराम आराम से बनाता है। ये चीज बहुत प्यारी लगती है मुझे। ऐसा नहीं कि अचानक से आपको सब कुछ मिल गया और आप जंप कर रहे हो, फाइट कर रहे हो, कुछ नहीं ऐसा। ये हौले हौले माहौल बनाते हैं, सुरूर बनाते हैं, इसे मैं कहूँ। ना बॉय, दिरहम। या कोई सीढ़ियां कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए जाकि मैं उस बंद तक पहुंच। ये रहा, कुछ देर हाईलाइट रहे, इसके लिए कुछ करना होगा आगे, अभी तो नहीं है, बट यूज द रीगल वेंस टू लुक फॉर इट, फाइंड द की मींस देयर इज नो लाइफ।
There. That may be what I'm looking for.
ये चीजें जब देख रहे हो ना अभी लूटने वाली बहुत कम आती है। मैंने बाकी में ऐसे छोड़े हैं, लेकिन सोच रहे जब अपग्रेड करने जाओ ना मर्चेंट के पास, तब समझ में आता है कीमत क्या है इनकी।
I wonder what secrets this ledger holds.
एक्चुअली सच बताओ तुम्हें पता है वेट क्या कर
Maybe
रहा
I
हूँ?
can get the old grouser Derwish to squeeze a hint out of our contact.
आई नो कि चीजें धीरे धीरे अनलॉक होंगी यहाँ पे, बट जो ड्रेस है अससासिन्स वाली कॉस्ट्यूम की बात कर रहा हूँ, वो एक बार मिल जाना तो थोड़ा सा फील सच में आया कि आप अससासिन्स क्रीड खेल रहे हो। एंड ठीक है मिलेगा, मैंने पहले ही बोला ना कि यहाँ पे माहौल आराम आराम से बनता है, तो इट्स फाइन, हम वेट कर लेंगे। एंड वैसे भी ये पहला एपिसोड है यार, हर बार बोलता हूँ जज नहीं करना, फर्स्ट एपिसोड देख कभी भी। अब हर सीरीज गॉड ऑफ वॉर नहीं हो सकती ना जहाँ पे बाल्डूर है और आप आसमान की ऊंचाई को छू लो फाइट करने में।
We could use some eyes around the city.
I'll see what I can do.
She looks important. You should haggle for a better fee.
Ah, Basim, what timing? Did you get it?
Without a fuss.
Give it here.
You are one of them.
How cool the dress is, man. बहुत प्यारा है ये.
There.
And the knife.
It looks as though it was delivered this morning.
You're certain it is the chest you seek?
I am certain. Pay the boy.
You need something stolen? I am your man. Derwish can attest. He has given me all your contracts.
Then you have done your part.
I can do more.
2 of my best men died on this pursuit. I doubt a street thief would fare much better.
Then let me join you. You have 2 openings.
We should take half this thief with that insult.
Thank you, Derwish.
Listen here, Basim. You want to keep working for me? You keep your head down and your mouth shut.
अब या तो डरविस के थ्रू या डायरेक्टली पहुंचेंगे वहां तक तब जाके।
Why must you embarrass yourself like that?
Like what?
Like a beggar. Desperate for them to notice you.
Desperate? Nihal, I am good at what I do. That woman would be lucky to have me.
But she does not want you. You are a street thief with dirty feet. So why bother? Why keep pushing yourself down this path?
Because being a street thief is not the peak of my ambition. I have more to offer this world than my nimble fingers. They just cannot see it yet. Almost, Jasib. What is this?
Aha! This is my latest creation. It helps me fend off angry merchants when they, catch me digging around their wares.
I will consider myself spared. You smell foul. What is that?
Tah! We have been fishing at the harbor since morning. Terrible luck, though.
The harbor? Did you happen to see or hear any fuss over a chest?
Yes, a black one. Very beautiful. Some burly guards took it with them to the palace.
Shukran laka ya Jasib.
मुझे लग रहा है कि जिसके बारे में बात की थी रोशन नाम था ना उनका भी, जो ऐसे अपने देखी थी अंदर, जिनके 2 लोग मारे जा चुके हैं उसके परसूट में, तो आई थिंक मे बी जस्ट ओके।
They want that chest, and I am going to get it for them. Then they will see.
There is just no getting through to you, is there? Then we will do this together. If you get caught at the Winter Palace, they will kill you on sight. We will need a safe way in. And I know where we might scout one.
बेटर। सो वही है, मैंने कहा था ना कि जो जिस चीज के बारे में उन्होंने हमें उसकी अनुमति नहीं दी कि हम वो चीज करें, वो हम खुद से चाहते हैं, क्योंकि अगर हमने ऐसा कर दिया तो वो नोटिस करेंगे। ऑब्वियसली जिसमें उनको 2 लोग मारे जा चुके हैं और हम एक स्ट्रीट थी जैसा उन्होंने कहा, मतलब चोर उचक्का, वो काम कर जाता है तो।
Shall we go scout the Winter Palace now?
Yeah, sure.
You do not have to get involved, Nihal. I know your feelings on this.
It is utterly foolish. But it seems I cannot stop you. So I will come with, and nag you until you decide to abandon the idea of stealing a chest. From the Khalifa's winter palace.
When you say it like that, it only excites me further.
Are we going or not?
Yeah, we are ready. मैं करता अगर इनके अकॉर्डिंग अगर हम अकेले जाते हैं मतलब तो वहाँ पे हमें देखते हैं मार दिया जाएगा और ये चाहते हैं कि प्लान के अकॉर्डिंग हम स्काउट करें पहले उसके बाद एंट्री फाइंड करें. Let's go.
Lead the way.
This is a mad plan, Basim. Even if you were to succeed and they welcome you into their ranks, what then? Will you forget about us?
Of course not. Nihal, their interests
Run,
are
please.
our interests. You, me, and every other street dweller who has been cast aside. Living off scraps and dirty water. I can be an instrument that sees us out of that life.
What the hell are you doing,
That sees that Jasip can use his talents to be a real craftsman. That sees that good men are not cast aside as my father was. And no children left wondering what tomorrow will bring.
No problem.
I hear what you are saying, Basim. But you paint a portrait of a world that cannot exist.
That is where we disagree.
क्या मैंने भी एक लेडी कान की बाली चुराई है? Hi, baby. It's good. It's good.
Come back here,
like
would
this.
you?
Yeah, let's go. Aha!
What could be more important?
अरे
Come here.
मैं तो आया था कि अंकल का ये Let's go. Show me कि मैं लूट कितना रहा हूँ यार. I need to know that. But I like this. There's no hard or anything. मुझे अच्छा लगता है अगर आप जानते हो तो ये चीज. I mean clean and everything. Not too much information and all. What now?
There it is, the Winter Palace.
अच्छा यहीं जाके लूट करनी है. Actually जिस बच्चे ने बताया ना, मैं जस्ट जानता है उसने देखा था कुछ लोग उसके बारे में बात कर रहे थे. बट इनके आदमी उठा के उसको यहाँ ले गए इस पैलेस में और हमें उसको वहीं से चोरी करना है.
Here. Let us wait for nightfall.
ओह थैंक गॉड. यहाँ पे सबसे प्यारी चीज, यहाँ पे नाइट एंड डे के लिए बहुत कोई तामझाम नहीं होता. ये बहुत मिस करता हूँ बाकी गेम्स में.
Does where you stand not awaken fond memories?
Not so long ago, we were counting our spoils up here, under the cover of night. Just like this.
The stakes were lower then.
And so too was the prize.
Well, before you claim your prize, you will first have to reach it. As far as I can see, that will take some creativity.
Wow.
We could always try the front gate.
You will have to let me know how that goes for you.
Where are you going?
I've had a clever thought. If your mind is absent of one, you should perhaps follow mine.
Wait!
इन्फिल्ट्रेट द विंटर पैलेस. हिडन वन जो है उनको एक चेस्ट चाहिए. यहाँ से जासिब जो बच्चा था उसने स्पॉट किया था कि कुछ लोग उठा के इसको इस विंटर पैलेस में लेके आए हैं. इस चेस्ट में क्या है किसी को पता नहीं है, लेकिन अगर खलीफा इसमें इन्वॉल्व है तो हम रिस्क ले सकते हैं. निहाल जानती है कि मुझे उस पैलेस के अंदर कैसे जाना है, बट मुझे लगता है कि कुछ और भी तरीके हो सकते हैं शांति से इसके अंदर जाने का, और वही मुझे ढूंढना होगा.
It is dark enough. Come.
Nihal!
Fastening yourself to my tail, Basim. Very sensible.
I know how you hate to be alone.
I see some guards just that way.
With lime sauce, pomegranates, and
So down कर सकते कि नहीं ये बताओ पहले.
I can taste it now.
I heard something. Hello.
I'm sure it was indeed my stomach.
Now where has Nihal gone?
Come, baby.
Hey, what's that?
Shh. It is better this way.
कहाँ चली गई वो? बट यहाँ पे और भी जगह है यार, ये देख के लग रहा है कि मुझे कुछ ना कुछ मिलेगा मार्किंग यहाँ पे अगर मैं ढंग से खोजूं तो। दो तरीके हैं, निहाल को पता है, एक वो और एक
What are you playing at? Let us go. Watch yourself.
What is... Nice.
Have a short nap, but not too short.
I mean, भगा ही गए तो फिर थोड़ा सा हाथ मारना बनता है ना। But now, lady. ये चाबी है यहाँ। किसी भी सीरीज में लड़कियां मेरी बात ही नहीं सुनती कभी। I want that key, man. I know कुछ ना कुछ खतरनाक खोलेगा वो पक्का। बट इतना आसान नहीं होगा। Look at this. Too many soldiers. What is this now? Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Come, boy.
Hey, what's going on?
Easy. अभी चाबी तो मिल गई, बट विंटर पैलेस की अभी इसका दरवाजा कहाँ है? सामने दरवाजे छोड़ चेस्ट बहुत सारे हैं। Shit, almost पकड़ने वाले थे मुझे वो। Hi there.
Any luck finding a key?
Yes. अच्छा मैं जाकर के चला आया था।
The Khalifa appears unsettled. An unruly son is not helping matters.
The young man is eager. It's his first time in the palace, is it not? Let him wander, I say. Cater to his needs. His eating is supposed to be brief after all.
उस गड़बड़ी की वो थोड़ी सी
Here they are. Come.
फीलिंग क्यों आ रही है? कितना कोई छठी इंद्री बताती है कुछ गड़बड़ होने वाला है। सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा ही हो रहा है, कुछ ज्यादा ये नहीं होना चाहिए। बहुत ज्यादा ठीक ठीक हो रहा है सब कुछ।
The Khalifa awaits you.
They have arrived, Mawlay. Out, all of you. I am to meet with them alone.
Father, let me stay.
Take him.
The black
Looks
chest.
heavy. We'll never get it out of the palace.
Then I will just have to take what is inside.
Gentlemen, welcome. Everything is in order. I understand this means a great deal to you. Rest assured, it will be well protected here.
We will accept nothing less. We will carry out our work and return to you when we are ready. Be prepared, Khalifa.
Might I see it once? The contents. If we are to guard this with our lives, we should know...
You saw nothing of this. You say nothing. Do you understand?
Yes, of course. Perish the idea.
तुमने कुछ नहीं देखा, तुम इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं जानते, तुम किसी को कुछ नहीं
Now is
बताओगे।
our chance.
बट ऐसा क्या इसको देखने से मना कर रहा है?
Someone is coming. This way. Looks quiet. I never thought I'd set foot in here. Just look at these arches. You could chisel off a piece and sell it for a hoard of gold. You didn't happen to bring a pickaxe, did you?
I will keep it in mind for the next time. All right, Basim. Open, snatch, run.
Basim, hurry. Basim!
Give me that! No! No! Do you have any idea what they will do to me?
Please, I am sorry.
This is your fault!
Stop! Please!
You thieving little rat!
No!
Run!
Nihal, wait! Father! Get that boy! The Khalifa is dead! Find that boy! Now you pay! Good one!
रन बेटा। उसको छोड़ो पगलू, बाहर निकलो वहां से। वेरी गुड। Take it easy. मर रहा हूँ, बेनविस पीछे पड़े बट लूट नहीं छूट रहा यार। हद है, मतलब ये चीज ना कभी जान ले लेगी सच में। बहुत दूर नहीं है।
Welcome.
वो शिट, पूरे शहर में घूम रहे हैं वो खोजने के लिए। हद है। शिट। वो आसपास से पहले निकलना हुआ ताकि मुझे देखे ना उसके बाद।
Nihal, are you here?
वेट बॉय, वेट करो अभी थोड़ा।
Anta, Kuf. Nihal. No! Stop this! Please! What do you want from me?
Calm, Basim.
Nihal?
Not quite. Are you well? Good. Because I need you to tell me about this.
I do not know what you mean.
Tell me what happened. Silence is not your ally here.
It is not silence. I cannot explain what I saw. That object. It did something to me. I was somewhere else. Cold and frightened. Before I knew it, the Khalifa had his hands around my neck. It was an accident. I did not mean for... Just wanted to help.
We need to get you out of here. I have a boat at the western docks.
What? No, I cannot leave. I need to find Nihal.
Stop and think, Basim. The Khalifa's guard is searching for his murderer, a young thief of your description. They will not stop until they have found you. And when they do, it will not be a prison they throw you into. It will be a shallow grave. I'm giving you a second chance. Take it.
Nihal, Darwish, they are all in danger.
हमारी तलाश कर रहे हैं। उन लोगों को फाइंड कर रहा होगा। क्योंकि अगर बोट तैयार है, हम यहाँ से निकल भी जाएंगे तो वो दोनों तो खतरे में तब भी रहेंगे ना।
The soldiers are hunting all who look like me.
तो कोई तरीका हो तो चेंज करो ड्रेस को यार। I know, बहुत जल्दी बोल रहा हूँ बट इट्स ओके।
I will not be safe for certain if I do not lose these guards.
We are not to show mercy, men. Is that clear?
जाना वहाँ है, गार्ड्स कम वक्त। Maybe. अगर यहाँ से निकल के वहां चले जाए तो काम बन जाएगा.
Stay there. Round up every last one.
वो क्या रहा है? उश! सारे बच्चों को मार दिया.
Basim! Basim! Avert your eyes! There is nothing we could have done.
Nothing! If the Khalifa were alive, this would not have happened!
Watch where you point your blamey little finger, Basim. It was your idea to steal from the palace. Also that you can impress your cunning friends. I saved us!
You killed them! You did this!
It came from over there!
I hope I never see you again.
Hurry!
All of them dead.
The
When it
life
was
you
me
idiot.
they sought to punish. I cannot be here. I cannot.
Now we will find you! Not getting away from me! There you are.
खैर वे उस आंटी की बात सुनते और निकलते फिलहाल यहाँ से. Just like all the other games and Bollywood movie, हम यहाँ लौट के आएंगे जब ऐसे बन जाएंगे तब थोड़े स्टाइल में, तब मारेंगे इन पर, तब बदला लेंगे बदतमीज लोग को मारेंगे, अभी नहीं. वो
Surrender yourself, boy! There is no use in hiding. Some men say he came this way. Move! Quickly! Stop!
Is it him? I think so. Good enough.
nice move.
Move.
This is me actually after a few episodes.
What are you doing?
Don't think.
अब एक चीज तो क्लियर है, उस एरिया में आप लौट के नहीं जाओगे फिलहाल कुछ टाइम तक तो नहीं.
A new day, another test. I should get back.
2 months later? New beginning, return to the training. अरे 1 मिनट, वो सिखा रहे हैं मुझे. मैं यहाँ पहुँच गया थी जल्दी. Okay. Not जल्दी obviously after 2 months. हाँ बट ठीक है. Health regeneration plans. I thought automatic होगा बट ठीक है, it's okay. अगर ये भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है मुझे. तो फाइनली जिनके लिए मैं काम कर रहा था उनके लुकी.
Then who will? There you are. Are you ready?
For what?
I think so.
Put yesterday out of your mind. It has no bearing on today. Get dressed and we can begin.
Get dressed and we can begin. आंटी यार अरे यार मुगले आजम बोल के पगले आजम बना दिया. क्या पहना दिया ये?
Go on, Basim.
Maybe I'm not ready for that yet, but ठीक है, it's
Yes,
okay.
master.
I'll wait.
You look strong today, Basim. Keep training.
Steady, Basim. Steady.
Leave now.
Yes!
I've seen enough. We will try again tomorrow.
I felt fine.
I can see it in your body. You lose focus too easily. The leap of faith is a crucial step on your path to initiation. It is one of the Brotherhood's first and most sacred rites. To perform it successfully, you must first center your mind, body, and spirit. Embrace the fear. Quiet it. Find a stillness. And let go.
Yes, Master.
Let's return to the camp.
May I ask you something?
You may.
Back in Anbar, at the palace, I witnessed a meeting between the Khalifa and 5 masked men, order members. The Khalifa was meant to protect the object they discovered, but he knew nothing of their plans for it. He did not even know them by name. How does the most powerful man in Baghdad bend such a fearful knee to the faceless?
The Order has held dominion over such men and their empires for centuries by convincing them of their truth, that they are the natural arbiters of the world. The Khalifa was but their puppet, and the same will be true of whomever succeeds him. The entire Khalifa is under their influence. Basim, speak with Fulab and see if he needs help. We will continue your training later.
All
yes,
right.
Master.
Have you seen Mentor Rayhan in camp?
बात वैसे गलत नहीं थी यार. कितना मतलब बगदाद एक खतरनाक आदमी है. मास्क के लोग सामने अपनी घुटनों पे डर गया और झुक गया उनके सामने. तो और अगर आप पुराने सीरीज देखते हो, अगर आप थोड़ा बहुत जानते हो, आपको आइडिया होगा कि हाँ हमारे मेन एनिमीज कौन होते हैं, मैन किसे हम हंट करते हैं, मारते हैं. लेकिन इसलिए मैंने बोला कि बहुत ज़्यादा फोकस नहीं कर रहा स्टोरी पे. इसके बारे में जब बातें होंगी तो बहुत होंगी. ठीक है? नॉट नाउ.
Ah, what is this in the corner? Here. A small design.
It is my signature. So you know I created this, and not Al-Hassan, or worse, Abu Jafar. I guess you understand, Wadan.
Ah, Basim. How are you? Yes, Enkidu. Food is coming. He
अरे
is
नहीं,
intelligent,
ईगल यहाँ
and
पे है और
intelligence
मिलेगा।
is supposed to rhyme with patience. Reminds me of someone.
Have you been speaking to Master Roshan?
Have patience. Be kind to your progress.
I will take this to heart. Roshan asked me to come see you.
Ah, yes. Rebecca needs leather strips. Can you fetch those from the storeroom?
I shall, Fulad.
Arakallah Khan.
That is not it.
Get leather strip. Leather strip ये भी
It is hard to find anything in here.
ये भी नहीं है फिर। ये भी नहीं है। ये भी नहीं है।
No, that is not a strip of leather.
These forces within the Caliphate are beginning to put pressure on us.
Forces? You mean the Order, Aban?
I can only speak of what I know, Ya Saderi. The Caliph wishes to nullify the rebels, and if you persist in giving them support, we cannot assure you protection from any Caliphate response.
The rebels supply us with information in Baghdad. Without them, we are blind.
Be that as it may, Governor Muhammad is very committed to showing that he can end this rebellion swiftly.
I do not doubt that.
I came to warn you. Things are moving fast in Baghdad. You may have to act sooner than expected.
I hear you, Aban.
Rebecca?
Basim, Basim. Are you just wandering the camp aimlessly now?
No. I have this leather for you. Will it do?
Apparently, you've moved past the wooden swords. I protested, but Roshan insisted. Here is your dagger.
Ah, nice. And where is my hidden blade, by the way?
And your sword. I am proud to have worked on them.
Wow. Oh,
This
you're not
blade
ready.
has character.
Why would I make anything less than unique?
I am in your debt. I was not expecting new weapons today.
Repay me by using it on the Order. Make them feel the sharpness of its character. Roshan said you had further training today. Show her that new sword of yours.
I look forward to it.
Sneak with enemies to learn how to use throwing knives. मतलब मोटा-मोटा जो लोग Assassin's Creed सीरीज के बारे में थोड़ा सा अनफेमिलियर है, हिडन वंस हमारा ग्रुप जिसके साथ अब जुड़े हुए ट्रेनिंग ले रहे हैं, ऑर्डर जिसको हमें मारना है जो हमारे एनिमीज हैं, बाकी स्टोरी में हम किस तरह से कहाँ पैच होंगे, कनेक्ट होंगे, वो आपको आगे धीरे धीरे क्लियर हो जाएगा। सो उसके बारे में इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि बहुत ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं, मैं सबको समझाते हुए जाऊँगा। अभी बस इतना समझना, ऑर्डर इसे मारना है जो हमारे एनिमीज एंड ऑल, मास्क वाले समझो जो वहाँ मिले थे जब खलीफा से मिलने गए थे ऑल, ये जगह हिडन वंस जिनके साथ जुड़ने के लिए स्टार्टिंग से परेशान थे, एंड नाउ हम उनके साथ ट्रेन कर रहे हैं, जो ट्रेनिंग ग्राउंड। सो जस्ट लाइक द अदर Assassin's Creed games, not all of them. Oh, easy ladies. मैं ये अरे आराम से परेशान करने नहीं आया, मैं ये इक्विप कर सकता हूँ और नो डाउट अभी और भी चीज़ें अनलॉक होंगी, बाकी देखेंगे बाद में। फिर अरे निकलते यहाँ से यार, लड़के परेशान हैं। तो वक्त ट्रेनिंग ग्राउंड तक जाना एक तरह का ट्रेनिंग है जो वहाँ तक पहुँचाने के लिए जो रास्ता बनाया गया। नाइस, परफेक्ट। बैठो, गिरना मत, बहुत बेइज्जती होगी, गिरना मत, आराम से। नहीं पगलू, गधा इंसान बोला था उधर मत जाओ, उल्टे जा रहे हो, गिर जाओगे। लटक गए। Finally. Look at the view, boys. It's amazing. It's beautiful. बहुत मजा आएगा एक्सप्लोर करने में. By the way.
Good work. Until tomorrow. Basim, time for combat training.
I was surprised when Rebecca handed me this. Is a sword not a coarse weapon for a hidden one?
As hidden ones, we must become proficient with a number of weapons. You never know how a fight will escalate.
Exactly.
Anyone can wield a sword, but how will you use it?
I am here to learn that, Master.
Are you truly here?
Well, yes. I believe so.
You are here in body, but are you here in mind and soul?
Is this a riddle?
No.
No. It is the difference between life and death. Make sure you target and circle around me. Never turn your back on your opponent.
Lock on to the.
What are you doing?
बढ़िया.
Are you trying to get stabbed in the back?
No.
Show me your quick stabs first.
Quick stab. Okay.
Good. Yes. Excellent.
Huh?
There
Good.
are times
Yes.
when we must put more force into our attack to cause more damage.
You mean?
It will leave bruised. So time it properly. Now go. That's it. Come in strong. Excellent.
Teach me the parry, please.
Now, for defense.
You can.
You can parry the attacks
my favorite.
of your opponent.
Let's go, Sekiro.
After a few successful parries, your opponent will be stunned. Try to parry my attacks. Yes. That's good.
Try again.
Excellent. Some attacks cannot be parried and must be dodged instead. Prepare yourself. Good work. That's the way. Well done. Now, let us try a free fight together. Use what you've learned.
All right. Light attack. रुको stop it. बदतमीजी है ये.
That took you by surprise. Well done.
No.
Take that!
Where did that come from? We are done for today, Basim.
Why must we stop? I learn nothing from failing.
True learning requires action and stillness in equal parts. You have made the action. Now, seek the stillness. Do not rush your training. Be patient. Failure is a part of progress. Think on these words and come
Failure
back
is a
better.
part of process.
Yes, Master. I will.
Good. See you later.
गिरना मतलब हारना कभी नहीं होता, 1000 बार गिरोगे, 1000 बार गिरोगे, गिर के ना उठना वो हार होती है, ठीक है?
Ahmed will soon go back to the House of Wisdom. I fear he may end in the middle of a snake's nest.
I know how close you are to your brother. We shall learn more soon. Then we can act.
Assalamu alaikum, Abu Ja'far.
It is Ahmed.
Ahmed, my apologies.
Do not worry. Come and warm yourself by the fire.
Our brother Ahmad is leaving us tomorrow.
To Baghdad, the House of Wisdom.
The House of Wisdom?
We have been working there, my brothers and I, for years. I still have some things to work on. Science waits for no one. And I will fulfill my duty as a hidden one by becoming your eyes and ears among the scholars.
जगह बहुत अच्छी है लिट्टी चोखा बनाने के लिए।
Fulath, tell Basim the story of the feather.
Our tradition of the feather comes from Egypt. They represent the feathers of Ma'at. The feathers of the heron were dipped in the blood of the targets. These would be left for the Lord of the Duat to judge. It is important we remain humble and know our place in the process. We are messengers of justice, and not the final judges.
Will anyone help me on patrol tonight?
I will come with you, Noor. I must get my body moving if I'm to warm up tonight.
I am grateful. Let us go.
इनके ड्रेसेस अच्छे हैं।
Are you coming, Basim?
लुल टाइप का दिया हुआ।
Leave the stories for later.
Anyway, boys, thank you so much watch करने के लिए। This is the first episode of Oh my light is
We have not had a messenger from Mara.
अगर मैं थ्रो कर दूं
Yes?
From a small village only.
और ये भी थ्रो कर दूं,
My father owns a sandals workshop. I grew up watching him at war.
ये अनलिमिटेड है मेरे पास। नाइस। तो बॉयज, आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट एपिसोड। थैंक यू सो मच वॉच करने के लिए। बाय बाय, गुड बाय, टेक केयर। जल्दी मुलाकात होगी नेक्स्ट एपिसोड में। लाइक वाइक करना मत भूलना, बदतमीज इंसान। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।